SolidWorks is easy to learn. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a simple part using the Extrude Boss Base feature. We'll start by creating a new part, sketching a shape to extrude, then we'll extrude that, and then we're going to save the part. I'm going to assume you have SolidWorks open already. You can go to the File menu here, and you can click New. After you've clicked New, you'll be greeted with this splash page where you can choose whether to do a part, assembly or drawing. You'll also find a link to the SolidWorks tutorials on this page. Right now I'm just going to click on part and click OK. In SolidWorks, this is the layout of the page, and if you check over here you can see there's a sketch tab and a features tab. Now everything that you use the most is usually on the left. So with features, the most commonly used is the Extrude Boss Base, and with sketch, the most commonly used is to create a new sketch. So those appear on the left hand side. There are multiple other tabs. You won't be needing to look at them until later on. To begin with, I'll click on the button here for Extruded Boss Base. Automatically, you'll see 3 different planes appear, and you'll see a message over here that says select a plane on which to sketch the feature cross section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a plane, in this case the front plane, and I'm going to sketch a shape. When you select the plane, usually SolidWorks will change its view automatically to normal 2, and you'll be looking straight on towards the plane that you've selected. The little L-shaped red arrow thingy-bob down in the middle of the screen is called the origin. If you hover your mouse over the point where the 2 lines intersect, you'll see that the cursor snaps to a little orange little dot there, and when you're sketching either a rectangle or a circle, you can easily reference that point there. If you're creating a file for machining on a CNC machine, this is the ideal place to start your drawing. It should always be referenced to the origin. I'll start now by drawing a circle. You could just as easily draw a rectangle, and I'm going to hover the mouse over the origin, click the left mouse button once, move the mouse out to the side, and then click again to finish sketching my circle. Once I've done that, I'm ready to extrude this into a cylinder. To do that, I can click Exit Sketch over here, or I can click the Features tab and click the Extrude Boss Base button. Either way, you'll be brought to a 3D view of what you've just sketched, with a yellow preview which shows the dimensions, projected appearance for the part, which indicates how deep or how far you're going to take the extrude. The little arrow here, you can actually click on that when it's orange, and you can drag and drop that shape to choose a dimension. Alternatively, you can click into this space here and type a dimension there. Once you're happy with the distance that you've chosen to extrude, you click the tick over here, This tick is the OK button, and then SolidWorks will calculate the appearance of that part for you. Congratulations! Once you've done that, you've made your first 3D model. Now that you've created your part, it's time to save it. So to do that, you just click on the File menu here, or you can click on this Save icon up the top. I hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed using this video to learn one of the first steps of SolidWorks, then maybe you want to join me later when I create a new SolidWorks tutorial. Until then, see you later.